Subject. Bear. River.
Start.
Subject. Bear. River.
Start.
I'm happy about my grade. I'm happy about my grade. I'm happy about my grade. Grade. I'm happy about my grade. About. Allowed. I'm happy about my grade. About. I'm happy about my grade. Allowed. About.
Tent.
History. Subject.
Start. Tent.
History. Subject.
Start.
Subject. History.
Tent. I'm stressed.
Are they done with the test yet? Done. Fun. Done. Are they done with the test yet? Yet. Yet. Test.
They take tests in class. Take.
I take a math test every month.
Anna is very stressed right now. She is taking an important science test. The test is too difficult.
Important. Stressed. We take a science test every week. We take a science test every week.
Mom is not happy about my grades. Mom is not happy about my grades. They are done with the math test. They are done with the math test.
They are done with the math test. They are done with the math test.
Why are you stressed?
I have a question about that.
I have a question about that.
They are done math test. They are done with the math test.